Hello everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome to week 4. So this week we're going to be focusing on becoming faster at typing, which is a really important skill. And even though you might think you're great right now, and I think I'm great too, but there's always room for improvement. So even the fastest typer can always get better. And this week we're going to focus on making that happen for you. So I will give you the heads up that it is not an easy task, right, to become super fast at typing or even just to improve at typing. If that was the case, then everyone would do it, right? So you have to be patient with yourself and you have to be willing and motivated to become faster at typing and put in the work for it. So you're probably feeling a little bit nervous right now, but don't. We're going to try to make it as fun as possible. So to start this week off, let's take a look at our assignment calendar. So I added in something new every day because I also want you to work on your searching skills. So we all know that it's really important because we have to use online search engines for pretty much everything now. And so I want you guys to become as proficient as possible. So this little activity every day will hopefully help you improve on those skills as well. So every day you'll start the day off with going to a googleaday.com. So if you were in my class last year, when we went home for the whole COVID thing, I started to do this. And so hopefully you already know how to do it. But if not, don't worry because I'm going to go over it now. You're also going to start the day off after you watch this video by taking a 5-minute typing test. So I put the link there for you and you'll need to take that. I'll show you in just a minute how to do that. Then you're going to join my typing.com class. So that's really important because if you don't join my class, then I can't see what you've done and I won't be able to give you credit for it. And then you're going to start the beginner course, which at first you might be like, oh my gosh, this is a little bit boring, or maybe it's a lot boring. But it's really the necessary practice that you have to do to get faster. And you'll see a difference when you're done with the course. You'll definitely notice that you're faster at typing. But it's very important for you to use proper hand positioning when you are typing. So I'm going to show you how to look that up as well. And I'd like you to review that too. I'm going to post a video here in Teams for you to watch. So once you've joined my class, you're going to work on the beginner course throughout the week. And if you do happen to finish it by Friday, then Friday is going to be a Flex Friday, which means you kind of catch up on things you need to and finish anything that maybe you forgot to turn in. I do see a lot of you that have not turned in some of the previous assignments, so Friday could be a day for you to catch up. And also, if you are done and you are caught up with everything, you can play Nitro Type with your friends, which is a super fun typing racing game to put your skills to the test. So let's take a look at the things you have to do. So first I'm going to get started with the Google a Day. So when you go to a Google a Day, you'll see the screen looks like this. And it kind of explains to you what a Google a Day is. So it asks you a question. They're super random questions, by the way. And then you're going to have to use your searching skills and Google's tools to find the answer. So here it gives you an example. You can enter certain keywords from the question right inside the search bar, and then maybe scroll through the results and try to find the answer. So let's just take a look here. So when I click start playing, it asks me the first question. Now there's 3 questions, and the faster you do it, the more points you get. Now see, I'm wasting time and I'm losing points, so let's take a look. When Dan Marino's jersey number 13 was retired by the Dolphins in 2000, what was the only jersey number previously retired by the team? So instead of typing in this entire question, which I know a lot of you do, you copy and paste the whole question, but that's not really being a good searcher, right? That doesn't mean you're good at searching online. It means you're good at copying and pasting. So being good at searching online is about using the tools that the search engine provides, but also picking out really good keywords. So maybe for this one I might put, let's see, let's try jersey number, whoops, look at my typing skills, retired, Dolphins before 2000. Let's see what we find. Okay, so I'm going to take a look here. What numbers have the Miami Dolphins retired? Maybe I'll look at that one. But I'd have to open that up and look at the years, so which is okay too, but let's see if I can find something here. Okay, it says the Dolphins have 3 numbers retired. Now, I'm going to try out this first number because this first number might be the first one that was retired. So let's just put in 12. Ah, we got it correct. And then it moves me on to the next one. So I'll try again here. What is believed by most scholars to be the world's first known town that dates back to 6500 BC? So let's try some keywords here. How about first known town, 6500 BC? Oh, well, look at that. It gives it to me right up there. And I'm just going to read the little snippet there to make sure that it says the world's first known settlement date back to 6500. Okay, so let's try that out and see if that is my answer. We got it right. Now, if you're really stuck, you can use some of these tools. Give me a hint. Okay, so it gave me a hint here. If I knew anything about football, that might help me. But your teacher does not know anything about football. And then it also showed me the first 3 letters. So maybe if you know a lot about football, I think I do know this one. Isn't this guy, Rob Gron, whatever his name is? You guys don't make fun of me. So you can use those, but you do lose a few points when you use them. So I like to try to do it without them. So hopefully you get the whole idea about a Google a day and have some fun with it. And once you're done with that, remember you're going to go to typing.com and take the test. So when you go there, it probably looks like this. Here we go. And then you'll click on 5-minute typing test. Now you might wonder why you're doing the 5-minute typing test, and that's because I think it gives you the most accurate speed. Like a 1-minute test doesn't really capture how good you are at typing, but the 5-minute one will do a better job at that. So take the 5-minute typing test, write down your score somewhere, maybe put it in your phone or on a piece of paper, just so you remember and you can see how much faster you get when we're done with this course. Now, after you've taken your typing test, I gave you a join link for my class, and it looked like, hang on. I don't know why I had that. Let me copy it from here. Sorry, guys. That was weird. Okay, there we go. So this is what it'll look like when you go to the link. And you're going to make a new typing.com account. So you're going to click create a new typing.com, and it's going to ask you for a username. Your username is going to be, and I hope you follow these directions very carefully so that I know who it is when you sign on. It is going to be your first and last name all together, right? And then your student number. So let's just say it's S2005454. I don't know, whatever it is, okay? So all together, and then your password is going to be your school password. And I highly, highly recommend that you put your email in here. Why? And your school email, by the way. Why? Because if you forget somehow your username and password, then you can recover it with your email. Then you'll check the box right here. It's okay if you're not 13 years or older because you're joining a school account, so don't worry about that. And then you will click sign up. Now once you sign up, you are going to hopefully land on this right here. If you don't, then obviously I'm showing you right now how to go to, you click on the lessons tab, and then it should look like this, okay? Once you are in here, then you just click start and you just go lesson by lesson. This is the part I told you might not be super fun, but take a look here.
Hello there! Get ready to boost your typing skills and have fun doing it. You might be asking yourself, why should I learn to type? Let's look at it this way. Imagine you're driving a with type. When you learn how to do something, learning to type will improve your texting speed. World today. With practice and dedication, you'll make it far because you'll be typing like a pro. We're glad you're here and look forward to...
Okay, now this is super important, and I'll add some videos, like I said, to help you if you want, but this is very important for you to place your hands where it's showing you to type, or where it's showing you to place your hands. This is called the home row, where you see this person's fingers. This is called the home row in typing, and it's very important that you maintain your hands there and just reach up and down towards the other keys. That seems like it's going to make you slower in the beginning, and it probably will, but as your hand positioning and memory start to remember where all the keys are, you'll notice that you'll be able to type without looking down at the keyboard, and you'll become much faster. Okay, so you gotta just fight through the uncomfortable part and do not use any other positioning than the home row. So just follow what it says, and I promise you you'll see results. Okay? All right, so you're going to go through all of this, and my video is super long today, and I'm really sorry about that, but you're going to go through all of the beginner course, and it will send me the reports and show me like how long you were on there and how you're doing. So if you have any questions about it, you can always ask the sub, and he can reach out to me, and I can give you any help that I can. So I can't wait to see how fast you guys are at typing when I come back, and hopefully you have a great week, okay? Also, the Nitro type thing is super easy to find. You just go to, and a lot of you have already played this before, nitrotype.com. Please don't do this until Friday when you're done, you guys. I know it's super tempting because it's fun. But you can sign up if you want, and if you sign up, you can play against your friends in the classroom, or you can just race as a guest. So up to you how you want to do it. It's more fun if you play against your friends, but that's just me. Alright guys, I don't want to keep this video going too long, so have a fantastic week, and I will see you next video. Bye!